Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
And first up on the top of the blueprint, this is the story that we want to bring to our viewers. He's done it in the past. He's done it again. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaya's convoy holding up traffic, going ahead, even if it meant stopping an ambulance with a patient in it. Even the appeals of the commuters to let the ambulance pass through falling on deaf ears with the security personnel who waited and ensured that the Chief Minister's VVIP convoy passed. The ambulance waited. Here is the entire sequence, and we want you to speak out and tell us what you feel. There is this person who comes out and says there is a patient stuck. The ambulance is waiting, allow it to pass. But close to 5 minutes, the ambulance is kept waiting along with the rest of the commuters.
ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು
The entire CM's convoy makes its way, zooms past, and when the Chief Minister is asked about the incident, he says, I am absolutely unaware. No surprises there.
About the incident, sir. Any word on that, sir? Was it your convoy, sir?
I do not know about it. I asked IG Central Range to inquire into it.
Okay. Will you act on that also, sir?
Well, that's coming from the man who said they have to grin and bear it. That's what Siddaramaiah had said, and we'll play out those sequences. Last year, around Independence Day, he made 3 ambulances wait. The Chief Minister might have denied it, but Times Now talked to eyewitnesses who confirm that the ambulance was stopped because of the Chief Minister's convoy. Listen in.
कहा जा रहा था एम्बुलेंस, कुछ पता है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे गलाटा भी हुआ था ना, शायद लोग पुलिस वालों से पूछ रहे थे कि छोड़ दो एम्बुलेंस को, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था?
पुलिस वाले एम्बुलेंस पलटा के भेज दिए। उसके बाद कोई लड़का आवाज डाल के चला गया उनको, इसलिए झगड़ा करके खड़े थे।
कितना टाइम लगा ये एम्बुलेंस को यहाँ से निकालने में उनको?
क्या एक आधा घंटा हुआ था।
आधा घंटा रुका था एम्बुलेंस?
आधा घंटा रुका था।
सीएम के गाड़ी जाने के बाद एम्बुलेंस को निकाला गया या उससे पहले?
सीएम के जाने के बाद
ही निकाले, उससे पहले नहीं।
అదే సీఎం వస్తారని చెప్పి ఇక్కడ ఆపినారు. అది టైం చూసుకోవాలి.
ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ ఎంత వరకు ఉంది?
3:15 గంట ఉంటుంది.
అంబులెన్స్ ఏ పక్క నుంచి?
ఇక్కడ ఇంకనే పోయింది, బెంగళూరు నుంచి ఇక్కడ పోయింది. అది ఎక్కడ పోయింది అనేది మాకు తెలియదు.
అంబులెన్స్ లో సైరన్ ఉందా?
ఉన్నింది.
పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు అంబులెన్స్ ని పంపిలేదు, ఎందుకంటే ఎమర్జెన్సీ సిచువేషన్.
అవంతా చూడలేదు మేడం, ఇక్కడే కదా మేము ఇక్కడ అంగడిలో ఉంటుమే, ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ అయిపోయింది, అవంతా చూడలేదు.
Traffic can have all types of traffic, anyone going, so ambulance is also part of that. If there is a prior knowledge that one ambulance has to pass a road, suddenly we will give a clearance. Suddenly at the nick of the time, if an ambulance also comes and the convoy comes, there will be a clash, there will be an accident. So we have to see that there no accident takes place. Because the ambulance also goes very fast, the convoy goes very fast. Here is this typical situation. In the video you see the convoy is going at very high speed, and next to that the ambulance is standing. It is at cross junction. So the moment the road is cleared, we have allowed it to go. So there is no question of you wait for half an hour or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It is hardly a question of minutes. And that too also, had the driver or technician raised an alarm that is a very, very serious patient, we would have taken precaution. We would have told on wireless for the convoy to slow down and allowed it. That provisions we have. We have those facilities, we can do that. But no alarm was raised.